Ready? Hi, I'm Erin Kearns with Jackson Shore Cooperative Apartments, and today Nonstop Locksmith installed a key fob reader at 2 of our entry doors. The crew arrived on time, everything has been neat and tidy, and the installation's gone great so far. Thanks for everything.
What are we doing, Gerardo?
We are installing a Trine 3000 on a wood frame.
Trine 3000 and wood frame. Why we chose Trine 3000?
Because it's a lot easier to install than a Trine 1001 2B, and it's a lot less of a hole than a regular Trine 1001.
Okay. What are we installing over here?
We're installing a card access system for 2 doors, for this door here and one for the back door. We'll be installing a card reader somewhere in this area here, make it accessible for people with wheelchairs. Same thing as the back door.
Okay, we're gonna run a conduit on the inside of the wall, going up and along those walls to the back door.